Welcome to an overview of TeacherEase, the leading software solution for standards-based learning. Standards-based grading data can be complex, and TeacherEase is designed to help users view and understand it. We'll start in the gradebook. Standards are listed across the top and students down the side. Strands are at the top with learning targets nested below. Hover over the standards to see complete descriptions. Standards can be collapsed or expanded to easily view the teacher's areas of interest. Nested under each standard are assignments with scores for each student listed below and a calculated value for the standard. When calculating scores, flexibility is important. TeacherEase supports power law, median of recent scores, decaying weights, and a number of others. All grading scales are configurable with your language as well as scores themselves. They can be 1 to 4 or any other scores and associated display letter you desire. Standards are easily added to report cards and grades can be imported from the Gradebook. It's easy to create assignments from the Gradebook. Add as many standards, aka learning targets, you want for each assessment. You can capture both formative and summative to track evidence of student progress. The assignments can be given to all students or just some, supporting differentiated instruction, personalized education by assigning based on dynamic groups. For this demonstration, we'll assign it to all. Enter scores for students either directly in the gradebook or by assignment directly. If the majority of the class have the same score, mass enter them. You can also add custom feedback and comments. Scores are automatically applied to the appropriate standards and calculated into the overall scores. Each standard has its own score, which can also be rolled up to an overall score if desired. You can dynamically group students, sort them by performance. You can do this either by an assignment, or you can do it by your learning target or standards. This makes it easy to identify your advanced learners and novice learners. Measure and monitor student learning over time as well. Most students go up. Students who require intervention often don't progress. Now the data is entered, analysis allows teachers to inform instruction and better meet student learning needs. It's easy for teachers to see other classes performing on a standard. If most of the class is at a novice level, teachers should probably teach a novice lesson. For students with greater mastery, teachers may want to give independent work. Parent investment and communication makes standards-based learning successful. Send an email directly from the Gradebook with all the academic data auto-populated in the email with ease. Track your emails to support the Danielson framework. Next, we'll go into the student parent portal. All the information in one place, easy to access. Here you see the mobile app, but in a moment we'll show you the web-based version as well. From the student parent portal, they can easily see student performance on standards and assignments. The standards grades visualization simplifies interpreting the question, how is my child doing? Also at the bottom you can see if there's any missing work. Drill down, and the online portal gives access to full mastery data. Facilitate the transition with grading scale breakdowns along with the detailed progress reports. Moreover, minimize complexity by only showing learning targets with assessments.